So down the Matt Dollar Show, we have got Will running back to get a ratchet strap out of the road. It's not mine. It is now. Let me pull a truck down here and drive, because when he gets up here, did he get both pieces of it?
Looks like it.
Yeah, go ahead and film
No,
it,
he's
man.
waiting for somebody to walk on so he can go in the middle of the traffic and get the other half of it. He's crossing lanes. Holding up traffic.
now
He's
he's
about
gonna-
to get hit by a bunch of cars.
And now he's going to chase the truck.
Yeah, and he gets up here, he's gonna be chasing the truck. Look, walking on the
Watch
line.
this. Now watch. 1,
2.
2, 3. Watch him. He's a mad motherfucker today.
That's awful. Alright.
Come on, Will.
Alright, let him catch up. Let him in.
Watch him. He's even talking to himself, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God.
Alright, let him in. Well, I
he-
says there's no wonder y'all get nothing done.
If he didn't chase it, I wouldn't do it.
I know it.
Watch
God.
this. Watch this. What?
I'm watching.
Here, keep filming. Keep filming. Get back there. Sit down on the Matt Dollar Show. Come on, Will. Watch this one last time. Tell him go back and get strap. Keep filming when he gets in. Keep filming. Keep filming, okay? Keep filming.
God.
Watch this.
Oh, it's busy.
And thanks for watching
The Matt Dollar Show.